this is one of 15 in the entire world, which is just one of 99 in the entire world, and there are only 2 in the Middle East. So guys, we are inside the Mercedes Maybach G650 Londelay. We are joined with Rahul, who's all the way from Pune, my old buddy. And just check this out, guys. The interior is just crazy. So guys, the interior over here is pure luxury, which is just one of 99 in the entire world, and there are only 2 in the Middle East. And it's actually so huge, we are not able to take a U-turn on the Jumeirah road. You have the brown leather with the black inserts and brown stitching. You have the Maybach logo over here. And if you see over here, you have the V12 badging also. Yes guys, this is the AMG V12 bi-turbo that produces 650 horsepower and has 1000 Newton meter of torque. When you open this compartment right here, you also have a remote where you can control the multimedia. But what's special is you have this business table where you can actually put your laptop and work while you're on a safari. That's just crazy, guys. Check this out. You have actually 2 tables. Okay, so over here we also have a very special thing, which is this. So when you put, so you have a partition that slides up, and another crazy feature is you have the privacy glass. So when you flick this up, the entire glass becomes opaque. That's just next level shit, guys. And when you press it down, it again gets normal. You have the AC controls over here. Again, everything is finished in carbon fiber, as you can see. You have heated and cooled cup holders. That's also a very superb thing. And the best thing about this is the leg room, guys. I'm 6 feet and I'm stretching my legs all open. Just check this out. That's just mind blowing. You can also adjust the seat. So being a Maybach, I have reclined the seat fully, and you have the leg cushions that come up, so you can basically literally sleep in the car. You again have the heated and cooled seats as well. And this is actually a convertible, guys. So once we reach the coffee shop, we'll actually open the convertible because it's really hot outside in Dubai. So guys, now we are actually heading to Block 92, which is like one of the famous coffee shops in Dubai. And the owner also has an amazing collection of cars. One of them being a G6x6 Brabus. So both of them are going to be parked beside each other, and it's going to be a crazy view. So I'm quite excited for that. Guys, we have reached Block 92 and we can see the Brabus G6x6 over here as well. It's going to be an epic evening, guys. Both the insane G-Wagons are parked besides each other. We have the Brabus G6x6 based on the Brabus 700, and we have the Maybach 650 Londelay. We are joined with Omar, who is the owner of Block 92.
You're most welcome anytime, brother.
Thank you for inviting me over.
You want to see the car, yeah?
Yes, of course. So what is?
Yeah, the Mercedes 6x6.
Okay.
It's 700 horsepower. And I think it's a Brabus, it's 15 pieces in the world.
Okay.
Yeah, I have closed it and I made it full starlight. And it's like the Maybach, the Landaulet, but see two seats only.
Oh, it's got only 2 seats as well, like the Londelay.
Yeah, see, 2 seats. Yeah.
Check this out. It's got similar 2 seats, red interior.
But I think the Landaulet, it's more comfortable.
It's more comfortable. Yeah, this is more for off-road. And all the 6 wheels are working, right?
Yeah. And let's hear the sound.
The exhaust, let's hear the exhaust, guys. And inside the Brabus 6x6, and the interior is just crazy, guys. You can see the red Alcantara all over the car. And the interior also has the red carbon fiber. This is something I've never seen in my life. It's just madness, guys. And the height at which you're sitting is next level. Inside this car, you actually have an air compressor where you can actually inflate and deflate the tires of the car, so you can take it in the desert easily. There are only 100 Mercedes G6x6 but there are only 15 which are Brabus. So this is one of 15 in the entire world. And behind us we have a regular G-Wagon with a sick number plate, by the way. But if you want to stand out in Dubai, of course you put your Brabus kit, you put your Mansouri kit. But if you want to stand out more, you have this. You have a Brabus 6x6. It's basically a monster, guys. We have a Brabus G-Wagon.
Yeah. Have a seat.
This is also a very unique car that you don't see every day.
Yeah, this is the ultimate Brabus. I have changed the interior. It was white before. I made it red, full interior. It's cabriolet.
It's a cabriolet, you can see.
It's hard to get.
Check this out, you can open the roof. It's like a proper cabriolet and it actually matches the G650 Landaulet right there. Guys, trying out the Lotus Island, which is a very famous dessert from the Block 92 cafe. Let's try it out. Too good. So guys, now the roof is open. Now let's see how we can close it. So we just have to press this button right here. So guys, we have parked the two most unique and the most rarest G-Wagon besides each other. Check out the number plate on that one, guys. And the exhaust is so cool. So guys, this is for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. This video was especially for the G-Wagon lovers out there. We saw two very rare G-Wagons today. So yeah, stay tuned for more content like this. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in the next vlog. Goodbye. There it goes. Just look at the road presence, guys.